Welcome. In this session, we'll discuss some of the questions related to AP Set Geography. Now, there are certain questions which are very expected every time. Now, Andhra Geography becomes a very important focus. For example, the Polavarman irrigation project is one of the very important projects in Andhra Pradesh, and the question can ask which of the rivers on which it is constructed. So, the correct answer is Godavari. Now, the physical divisions of Andhra Pradesh, the coastal Andhra Pradesh versus the Rayalaseema, major rivers, major soil types, the red soil of Rayalaseema are some of the very important questions that you must cover. The next is descending order of population density among these states, right? So Bihar has the highest order of population, followed by West Bengal, followed by Kerala, followed by UP. So it is in the case we have the order of population. Now these kind of questions are usually asked for your examination. Now since there was the last census 2011, that's the latest one based on which the questions are asked. The last one that we will discuss today is based on remote sensing. So LIDAR is an active sensor. What does LIDAR means? So LIDAR means light detection and ranging. Now active sensors are LIDAR and radar. Now they provide their own energy. So passive sensors are those which rely on sunlight. So optical sensors are example of passive sensors. So what are active and passive sensors? The basics of remote sensing, basics of GIS and cartography, extremely important for your NET examination. To get into more detail, follow the complete postal material, and also if you have any questions or queries, you can refer to the links below for more information and practice on PYQs. Wish you all the best. With just 3 days left, it's really important that you revise all the PYQs before your examination. Have a great day.